So when the man call you this, I call up Aki Walk, make him come with him ID, you know. Can't take a foolish, brother. I don't want to go with fuck. God, no.
Suck your mother, man. Let them come out of the house.
Iman.
This bag of blood class. We're going to scan one food again. One look food, we have enough.
Alright, Aki Walk, him shall stand up this, so. No. It's when I'm ready, I call you. So make them go this, so.
The woman did about beer.
Give Gary juice, though. Gary juice. Drama. Everyone wanna go with the same blood clot drama. I couldn't have mad smaddy. Yeah?
What are you doing, shit?
Who she? That's sense, man. I'm not there fucking, man. Them are going until something bad happen, man. That them are going to do, them are play that game. I make them play them game and play it out. That me I tell you. They say me if you get mad and talk, nobody not going to like me because I go tell blood clot TT. I straight truth. A TT for hear the fucking truth. Nobody no want to talk the fucking truth. The man in I go for hear the blood clot truth too. You see me? Right? And them a cause the whole of this shit. Drama type of. And here one now, TT now go let go because it's sweet him. So, and Shannel too fucking fool. Because me ain't make nobody shame me. So you must say, right, I'm going to look a man pan him blood clatter. I'm going to go about my business because I don't know there, so. I go right, so go turn up. I mean, I station here with my battery jar out at the one them something there. I go around one side. Yeah. Just give me a go and all the prison man them they want to do. Watch the prison man them. Yeah, just give me food and come. Oh, where's Zoe? Go in at the car and see look a drive for a prison man and I see my long out him neck a call to you say a prison man that you look like a piece of chicken to him. You know, yeah, man, I got hang up the gene. I'm not even sure no visitor come for him. I look a pit name, see, I want yeah, man, go on. Look like a piece of chicken or a piece of steak, you see. Shouldn't drive for the one. Why you got here? When I got girl, and if you enjoy your life, so because of this, you go home. So why you not enjoy your life? So you make man make you can't enjoy your life, girl. So your whole life revolve around one man. So you go in your house now, go sad and go up on social media. So you're not idiot, man. I don't want a girl for this, you know, because no girl can diss me. And I don't want to deal with no blood clot, fuck. Love me, man. Shannel with it. Oi. Watch out. Girl, go on, well, do what you have to do. Nobody not going to mix up a whole mix out. You see me? You don't do what you did already. You don't like your style and act like you're not no sense. Go home, go enjoy yourself. Yeah, and this so then there. You tell me say you can't go enjoy yourself and just black out, stress you a little while. And this so them there. You know, you man long out your head, boy.
You want with my phone? I don't want you with my phone.
Let me off.
I don't want you with me. I don't want you. You can't tell me to leave off.
Alright, that's what I'm talking about.
I don't want
Stop no man. It won't stop. Bumbuckler. Come here. Shannel. Shannel, come here. Shannel.
When the phone come, me no want him phone time to leave the phone alone.
Jesus Christ, you lock me. Taje, give it to me. You're asshole, you lock up in a car. Taje, give me woman phone. Why? Me just... I go, I don't. I nobody want to go in blood clot. I want to go. I go. I don't. Shannel, the left car. Oh, yeah, over. The woman bomb buckle that car. Good evening. Me at work. In my face. I never go nowhere over there, so I have it in my face, so. I never turn it nowhere. I know you never see nothing on social media. Bro, foolish you're not doing it. Yeah, well, come on. Come. Do just this thing. You must see a station with the bro. Stop. Just walk with me. Relax with that station. You must say, Jesus Christ, I'm a grind and show to everybody. I look at my body. Jesus Christ. Tell her give come with the car now. Turn up yourself. Turn up. Don't go nowhere. Don't move. Relax. I'm not blaming. Let me pause my mic. I'm not blaming here.
Sorry, yeah?
Yeah.
So which are they?
Then they don't this so Shannel just do what I say, yeah? Relax. Ignore.
If I say that, I say she.
You just learn to ignore. Can't tap in it. Don't say nothing at all.
Carry the vibes for the road.
And that me keep on saying, can't carry my vibe. Say
I
nice
roll
mission.
everybody knows this.
You see me?
Better, hold it in. Hold it better. Hold the vibes.
They ain't broke my vibe, you know? They ain't broke my vibe, you fuck. God no.
Much of this. You can't make this shit out because nobody is this. You see me?
That me not tell you.
Situation.
I want somebody them come out themselves. Come, wanna come in the car. Shannel, come on. Go back. Take the phone and get to the woman. Yeah, phone. Come in the car. Wanna come in the car? No. You have to talk and come in the car, no man. Go in the car. Go down. Go up. So what we finna run him down?
We can't run him down.
Come on, take care of it.
How can I fool in this shit that they spam me bomb buckler to the god? No, tell me true now. Okay, what? Just park with down the sun and make a sacrifice. Just park down the sun for me now. Buckle it.
Oh, Jesus. Yo, too much I go on right now. I swear to God. That, like, I never jam also unfocusing.
them back on me. Me no want you and your man run me. You, your man and TT, me no want none of them run me. Me no give a blood clot and me no give a fuck. God kill me so. Me don't want them run me. Me no want it run me. Wanna stay. When it happen, anything go down, make it go down. Wanna give me a phone call when it done. Me don't want none of you run me. And that me I tell you, anyone wanna go with the fuckery. Anyone wanna go with it. You know, blood clot spend all a good time by myself. Me never bother one guy no river. You see me? It's all of them a problem. Him still there with the girl, you still there with him. It all of a bomber clot problem for rolling a one blood clot barrel. You see me? This now go done. Nobody now choose nobody. I want time when people go to now mash up them blood clot time. When I mash up people energy. I mean, no, how windy she run back, me blood not. Nothing what me say nowadays no count. Me say, girl, sit down. One of them run up and down out of the car. Eh? I you for blood clot blame because if Mrs. Your man still there with a girl, me not there with him. Me I tell the boy if you lift up because he not choose me. You tell me say I soft with you desperate you still have to stay with him. Eh? And anyone wanna go with the bomber clot fuckery. Man no come round me. Me no want none of you around me. None of you me no want around me. Me no care. I since when you come for me dinner date, so now go do me for me dinner. Right? See him so now go come up there with no fuckery. Me no want none of you in my space. Oh. It a work?
It's a bar red though. Same as a work.
You see a Dragga go on like say, yo, the man wrong and strong. And one of my friends teach me that pass. Wrong and strong no blood clot. Eh? Wrong and strong and him act like same right. And that's one of the artist ratty thing. The man wrong and strong. Pan it.
The light now work.
I feel like the light now work.
Which body is good? Them I get green for moving up.
Hold on.
Then we are go shop.
I'm a straight at station yard, you know. Hey, that means say, oh, on top of the judge head, you know, we fight, you know. I'm a station yard, you know, they are not do that, you know. No, sir. Go wet up my body, me because so I wet up my leg and got me yard. God no. And I'm a fucking station yard, bro. And me realize that this blood clot man don't want me, I left him. I left him and go about my business because more man out there burn him blood clot. Me look at man and burn him. I burn him left, right and center. I burn him till him blood clot but him. Man go ugly blood clot, you me birth you. Can't burn me face, see? Me say I would have burn out him blood clot and he can't do hey girl, you're an idiot. Me say I ever pretend say me I burn him. I ever pretend say me I burn him. I have a pay a boy and say pretend with me for 1 week when me pretend say me a bun the boy. You're too safe. You're too blood clots. Safe. You go like a good blood clot too. Yeah, you see your son. Boy, I come this your girl, you this up in blood clot. Hey, as I'm telling a man around with me, I can do a 2 fat rap me I give me I'm head and run, you know. I that me I tell you, no 2 big stone me again head and run good on the road. I don't care. See if card you play. Anyone go with the fucker. When it a go done. Left the man and go on about your business then. Eh? I would be glad. You see, hey. Say, down your blood clean too. You put the next hand. God know. You see, because not my business, you know. I know my business. But you see me, you know, I put on my foot. Blood clot TT get it, you know. Because TT know what she do, you know. TT know what she do, you know. Me see the choppers, TT a chop, you know. You see me, TT like it, look at highlight and Ray and they back a Dragga and Ray. Well, TT not go there with the next man. TT look good, you know. TT a nice girl. So since then a problem and the girl want her baby fat that Ray, she not left. Wait, you not go load the man. Are you idiot? Oh, me not tell you that. Dragga wicked. Dragga play blood clot two side come like blood clot sincere. I wish you clot conking in your big blood clot for it, Shannel. One in your head and you have sense. I come out of no business. Cause see me, when I carry no business to me, round me. No come round me. I don't want none of uno. I don't want none of uno. I don't want none of uno round me. None of uno I don't want round me. I don't want none of uno come round me. When I take this a joke, it I go too far. This thing I go too far. You understand? This thing where you see her, it I go too far. So you call she and you go tell the girl if you go suck out her mother. Yeah, she call the phone and you answer the phone. Right? You answer the man's phone. And next you tell she if you go suck out her mother. Right in a station yard where me a carry the look of food for go feed Lando. Eh? So Lando look at traffic on one block. No sir. No, but I choose. I land look at traffic on one guy in a station yard. You can't tell man we go suck out man. Tell woman we suck out mother over man. Eh? And next him grab for your phone and lock up. Shannel bun the blood clot man. Shannel and me and your mother-in-law, me I tell you girl. Go to the boy pan a date and say Dragga no drop down to blood cleat, Shannel. And me I tell you that. Go to the boy just pan a date. You not give him no nookie. Just go pan a date. When you go pan the date, go fret pan the man and go tell the next man about Dragga, you know. That you go do, you know. And that you go do say no make no sense you even go pan the date because you go there pan the I tell the man pan the date about blood clot Dragga. How about I go now? I true. Allow me to tell. Eh? When him done with that, the man the pan date, that the man the blood clot stress out. That man the maybe I'll walk well if he food and say me soon come back. And I come back on the date. Oh no come round, my love. Too much.